Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the RSI indicator on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type RSI and choose this one, Relative Strength Index, because RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. So click on it just one time, and you will see your RSI here. Now, if you want to make it bigger, go here and drag it to the top like this, as you can see. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change some settings if you want. So go to RSI and click on the gear icon. Now, if you want to change the length of this line, the yellow line, go to this one. Length, it's 14. You can choose, for example, the 50 and click on OK, as you can see. Now, if you want to change these levels, the 70, the 50, and the 30, go to the gear icon, go to style, and they are here. As you can see, we have the 70, the 50, and the 30. You can change them from here. You can type here, for example, 25, just for example. Okay, as you can see, now the level is here. Also, you can change the type of the line if you want, this line from here. Also, you can change the colors. The type of line, the line will change from here. Also, the thickness from here, as you can see, and the color from here. Okay, you can choose any color you want. As you can see, the color is changing. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.